Good day, everyone. My name is Christine Mesilombreno, and today I'm here to share something exciting with you. As you prepare to graduate, I want you to consider a career in teaching. Let's discover why this path could be one of the best decisions in your life. Imagine waking up every day knowing that you have the power to change lives. Teaching is not just a job, it's a calling. By becoming a teacher, you will help shape the future. You will inspire young minds, ignite passions, and watch students grow into confident individuals. The impact you can have is limitless. Let's talk about job security. In today's world, many graduates worry about finding stable jobs. The good news, there is a constant demand for teachers. Schools are always looking for dedicated individuals to guide their students. This means when you graduate, you have a high chance of finding a job that you love and can rely on for years to come. Now, let's discuss money. While teaching, while teaching may not be the highest paying profession, it offers a competitive starting salary. As you grow in your career, your pay will increase. With experience and further education, you can earn a comfortable living. Plus, the satisfaction of knowing you're making a difference is priceless. Teachers enjoy many benefits. You often receive health insurance, retirement plans, and paid vacations. Imagine having time off during the summer to relax and recharge. These benefits contribute to a balanced and fulfilling life, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Speaking of balance, teaching offers a great work life balance. You'll typically work regular hours, allowing you to spend evenings and weekends with family and friends. And yes, you'll enjoy summers off. This gives you plenty of time to pursue hobbies, travel, or simply relax. It is a perfect way to recharge your batteries. As a teacher, you will never stop learning. Every day in the classroom presents new challenges and experiences. You'll also have opportunities for professional development through workshops and courses. This means you'll grow not only as a teacher, but also as an individual. You'll gain new skills and knowledge that will benefit you throughout your life. One of the most incredible aspects of teaching is the ability to make a difference. You will impact your students' lives in ways you can't even imagine. You will inspire them to dream big, work hard, and achieve their goals. Think about the pride you will feel when a student comes back to tell you how you changed their life. As a teacher, you become a vital part of your community. You'll build a strong relationships with your students and their families, creating a supportive environment for learning. Engaging with parents and community members enhances your impact and make your work even more rewarding. Teaching offers diverse opportunities. You can teach a variety of subjects from math to art and work with different age groups. There are also special education rules, coaching positions, and leadership opportunities. This variety keeps your career exciting and ensures you find a target market or niche that you are passionate about. Teaching is a fulfilling and impactful career. You will enjoy job stability, a, compet- a competitive salary, and valuable benefits. Most importantly, you will have the chance to make a real difference in the lives of your students. I invite you to consider this path and join us in shaping the future. And now, let us talk about the privileges, rights, and benefits of a teacher. First is consent for transfer. Teachers must agree to any transfer to a different school or location. This protects their choice and ensures that they are comfortable with their work environment. Number two, safeguards and disciplinary procedure. Teachers have rights during disciplinary action, ensuring they receive fair treatment and due process. This helps protect them from unjust penalties. 3. No discrimination. Teachers should not face discrimination based on gender, marital status, or other personal characteristics. This promotes equality and fairness in the workplace. Number 4. Married couples to be employed in the same locality. Married teachers can work in the same area, making it easier for families to stay together while pursuing their careers. Fifth, academic freedom. Teachers have the right to teach and express ideas freely within their subject areas. This encourages creativity and critical thinking in the classroom. Number 6. Not more than 6 hours of actual classroom teaching. Teachers are limited to a maximum of 6 hours of actual teaching per day, allowing them time for preparation and other responsibilities. Number 7. Additional compensation for activities outside normal duties. Teachers can receive extra pay for additional responsibilities such as coaching or organizing events, recognizing their hard work beyond regular duties. Number 8. Salaries comparable to other occupations. Teachers' salaries should be comparable to other professions, ensuring they can maintain a reasonable standard of living for themselves and their families. Salaries appropriated by local governments. Local governments must ensure teachers' salaries are not less than those paid by the national government, promoting fairness, and compensation. Cost of living allowances. Teachers are entitled to an allowance that helps cover the rising cost of living, supporting their financial stability. 11. Special hardship allowances. Teachers working in difficult conditions may receive additional allowances to recognize the challenges they face and their rules. 12. Medical examination free of charge. Teachers receive a free medical exam once a year during their professional life, promoting their health and well-being. 13. Prohibiti- prohibi- Prohibition of unauthorized deductions from salaries. Teachers' salaries cannot be reduced without their consent, protecting their earnings from unjust deductions. 14. Study leave. Teachers can take leave to further their education, encouraging professional growth and development. 15. Indefinite leave. Teachers can take indefinite leave for valid reasons, ensuring they have the support they need during challenging time. 16. Salary increase upon retirement, providing financial security for their future. 17. Freedom to establish or join organization. Teachers can join or create organizations of their choice, promoting their rights and interests in the workplace. So, this provision show that the government values teachers and aims to improve their welfare, countering the belief that they are overworked and underpaid. In a world that constantly changes, educators are the anchors of knowledge and values. By choosing teaching, you choose to be a catalyst for positive change, nurturing the leaders of tomorrow. So, before making decisions to your next steps, think about the profound difference you can make. Choose teaching, not just a career, but for a calling. Thank you. Again, I am Christine Misalumbreno from B2 Section 2. And that could be all. Thank you and God bless.